Hi, my name is Wiston. I'm a senior software developer with over 10 years of experience specializing heavily in the React and full stack of JavaScript or TypeScript ecosystems. Currently, I work on scalable web application and front-end architectures. Over my career, the types of systems I've worked on range from high-throughput enterprise platforms to dynamic, data-driven dashboards that and complex internal tools. I'm used to handling state management at scales, optimizing performance, and building clean modular UI components that last. Whenever I jump into a new code base, my priority is just figuring out how data flows through the app before I touch anything. I spend time reading through the existing components to understand the patterns the team already established, so that whatever I build first fits right in and doesn't break any existing features. In terms of workflow, I prefer tasks that are defined with clear acceptance criteria. Knowing what done looks like is essential to me. However, I value the flexibility of rigid over-engineered tickets. I like having room to make optimal technical decisions during the implementation. I look at code reviews as a team effort, not a blocker. I prefer giving and getting clear feedback on PRs, focusing on code quality and readability. If a review gets complicated, instead of going back and forth all day, I prefer dumping a quick thing to iron it out. I'm blocking the work. I'm blocking the work. Real world requirements aren't always perfect. When I encounter ambiguity, I don't stall. I proactively flag the gaps, propose a couple of viable technical solutions, and sync with the team lead or product owner to get alignment quickly. If a deadline starts looking tight, whether because the scope is growing or we run into unexpected technical blockers, my approach is just to be honest about it early. I'll talk to the team, show them where the bottleneck is, and figure out how we can free the features down to a minimal viable product. I'd much rather deliver something smaller that actually works perfectly rather than pushing a broken release at the last minute. That's a quick overview of how I operate. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to the possibility of working together.